माननीय सदस्य डॉक्टर बायरेड्डी सबरी जी।
Thank you, Speaker ma'am. Today, I would like to draw the attention of the House about the deliberate remarks made by our YSRCP leaders against the modesty and dignity of women leaders belonging to Telugu Desam Party in the state of Andhra Pradesh. As the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi said, to call a woman as a weak sex is liable. It is man's injustice towards women. We might be very brute in terms of brute strength, we might be less brute. But in terms of moral strength, we are far better than men. Speaker ma'am, today these remarks have been made when the nation talks about 33% reservation, women reservation, when nation no more talks about women development, but women-led development, which is under our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, and our Honorable Chief Minister, Chandrababu Naidu Garu. As we can see, the first aims is given by a woman. Our languages which are put into the court has been by a woman, and our constitution is what it is today because of our great women, and so is the judiciary and executive. And the nation is led by a woman, and also every woman in this nation is playing a role in strengthening our democracy. Why do you think women perform better than men? This is because we care. We women are wise, outstanding, marvelous, educated, and we are nation builders. Speaker ma'am, we are not in politics just for the sake of a male chauvinist to speak about our character or judge our character. We are here to build the nation's character. And also, this is our public life should never become a punishment to us. Speaker ma'am, today, these remarks, not just verbal abuse. This verbal abuse, I can tell that it is equally offensive as sexual abuse. Today, I'm not speaking as a women representative, but as a daughter, as a sister, as a wife. I'm speaking here, and who cannot be silenced with their abuse, and who cannot be silenced at all in the future. Speaker ma'am, I would like to request to bring in a resolution, to pass a resolution today, and also bring in a law that would protect the modesty and dignity of women of our country, especially women in our in public services. Today, we are here in politics, ma'am. This is a very important topic, ma'am. And also, let us spread a word that abuse can no longer be tolerated. It cannot be normalized. And also, the justice should not be delayed. Thank you, ma'am.